Home answer spaces 129 notifications search Quora. 336 friends with benefits dating and relationship advice friendship love relationship advice dating advice +2 what do I do about this guy I've known for years but have been friends with benefits for 3 months? Add by Duraflex switch to a safe and enriching sleep experience. Bring your own bed in a box home starting at Rs. 7,061. 1 answer. Daniel Swaves, retired production and transportation manager. Answered October 31, 2019 What do you want to do with him? Marry him, just be friends, dump him, leave him, stop the benefits. Either way you go someone is going to get hurt. This is why leaving the benefits alone until you are married is the best long term. Yes, that sounds old-fashioned, I know. I get it. However, let's look at the consequences. Ever heard the phrase, you only have one chance to make a first impression? Once that first impression is made, then you are stuck in that mentality and reputation. If you do not mind that, then it is not a big deal. If you do, then you have a problem. There are very few men who can have intimacy and then become only friends. Men do not think that way. So your next move depends on what you want. Some serious self-examination is required here. Is he a future ex-husband? Just live together? Gets really messy. No one is perfect. The excitement of benefits wear off after a while. The couple has to have a deeper connection to grow into. Yay, this sounds prudish, yet there is something to be said for that. 207 views. Sponsored by Godrej Protect Protection with Comfort. Godrej Protect reusable PW95 face masks 6-layered protection ensures your comfort too. Related spaces. Unrequited love is love that is not openly or understood as such by the beloved. Relationship help everything about relationships. Users are requested to help others by commenting. Sandy's YouTuber Dance X Entertainment, love story video, pre-wedding type video. Dating and relationship 1, dating 2, relationship 3, understanding partner 4, find it true fake love 5, S**X. Love hurts. The space for all of them with a broken heart. Let's heal each other's pain. Deepest confessions your experience of love, hatred, fear, anxiety, responsibility etc. Feelings heart share your feelings revolving hearts. Tale of two sexes looking into the lives of both the genders. Psychology and relationship understanding human psychology and the complexities of relationships. Love, relation and marriage all tips about love, dating, marriage and relationship problems and solutions. Teenagers' thoughts follow us for detective study about teenager philosophy thinking face smiling face. Tinder stories what is your Tinder story? Write your heart out heart anything which goes through the heart and touches the soul smiley face. Ask women same as our Ask Women but for women of Quora. Relationship issues heartbreak struggling with your partner? Want to improve your relationship? Let's chat. Philosophy of love and life let's talk about how our love and life coordinate with each other. General knowledge a space which enables our knowledge. Best Shayari collection in Hindi, like love, sad, friendship, Rula Deen Wali. My life experiences let people learn something by your experiences. Dating tips and advice man and woman dating is complicated that's why you are here. Anubhav Jain I will share some of my best yet long lost answers in this space. View more spaces 1 answer collapsed why? Related questions can, friends with benefits, fall in love? Shouldn't it be a, no strings, situation? How do I handle my friends with benefits? How do you keep a friend with benefits? Relationship or friends with benefits? He said we were just friends with benefits. He knows I like him. How do I stop? What is the best way to ask a friend to be friends with benefits? How can I be friends with benefits with a guy while being straight? How do I become more than friends with benefits to a guy? How do you ask someone to be friends with benefits? How do you have a friend with benefits? Can friends with benefits turn into a relationship? How do you know if your friends with benefits can be something more? How do you ask a male friend to be friends with benefits? How can I get the most out of a friends with benefits relationship? What should I do if my friend with benefits gets into a relationship? Related questions. Can friends with benefits fall in love? Shouldn't it be a no strings situation? How do I handle my friends with benefits? How do you keep a friend with benefits? Relationship or friends with benefits? He said we were just friends with benefits. He knows I like him. How do I stop? What is the best way to ask a friend to be friends with benefits? Ask question.